Hey guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. Guys, today I teach you how to create 3D music beat animation in Cinema 4D. So firstly guys, I take helix and change plane size, take XZ, guys and radius take 0 and angle increase like 2000, guys height take 0. See guys, create shape like this. And after that I take cylinder, change cylinder height, take only 50 and radius I take 5 centimeter. And guys, create smoothness on top, go on caps and fill it check and radius take 1 centimeter. Yeah, that's it. And guys, now I take cloner, select this cylinder and make child with cloner, select cloner and mode. I use object. Guys, select this helix, drag and drop in object. Yes, create. Guys, change viewport. I go on front view panel and select this cylinder, only cylinder and make editable. Click here. Yes, and change guys center pivot. Click here. This my enable access. Click, go on top, position, Y position I take 25 centimeter and press enter and uncheck this enable axis. See guys, right? Okay, and now again select cloner and guys go on distribution. I take step and step decrease like 12. Yes, 12 is better. See guys, this is so great. Okay, and now after that guys, select this cloner and I go to MoGraph, effector and use shader. Guys, go on parameter and scale size. Shader scale size take -1 and enter and I go to shading. Guys, click on shader and take noise. Yes, click on noise and go on down. Global scale I increase like 1000 and enter. And animation speed guys take 1.5 and enter. See guys, right? So I increase frame like 1000. Go on back and play. Yes, great. Okay, so stop. Guys, change high clip and brightness and contrast. Take randomly. High clip I increase like 60 and brightness decrease like -20 and contrast I take like 50. Yes, that's good. See guys, high clip I take 60%, brightness take -20 and contrast take 50%. Go on back. Yes, that's better. And guys, again select cloner and I again go to on MoGraph and this time I take sound effector. This one. Go on effector. Guys, this is soundtrack. Load sound. And my music is this one. And open. And play. Yes, great. Guys, change amplitude. This one. Select this box. Go on side. Increase. And uncheck this box. And again add portable click. This one go on here. Yes, go on back. Right? So go on down. Guys, deci I take 50 and strength I take 150%. Okay, so back, guys, I go on parameter, position uncheck, scale size check, and ununiform scale check. Guys, scale take like 3. Yes, guys, this is better. And now I create smoothness. So select cloner and again MoGraph. This time I take delay. Guys, go on effector mode. I take spring. Yes. Guys, this is now smooth. Okay, so stop. Guys, again I go on cloner, effector, select this sound effector, go on top, and shader go on mid and deci last. And shader, guys, this one, strength take 90, not this one, take 100, sound take 90. Yes, great. Guys, I create material. So I go on create and new material, open. Guys, go on color and take colorize this one. Click on this black box and texture. Guys, I go on MoGraph and use color shader. Delete this black box, go on here and open first checker box. Guys, take dark blue color and press OK. Guys, go on second and take pink. Press OK. Yes, great. Go on make this blue. Here. Guys, copy this blue icon. Press Ctrl key and drag and drop. Yes, same. Select this blue, drag and drop holding Ctrl key. Yes. See guys, create shape like this. This is my shader. So close, apply on cloner. Go on back. Yes, great. But guys, I create shadow, shining, open material. I go on reflection, press add key, take reflection legacy and brightness. I take 30%, press enter and close. Great. Okay. Guys, I apply Cinema 4D Studio Light. I go on merge, select C4D Studio Light and set light over at softbox. Yes. Yeah, great. Guys, I apply second animation. So I take sphere and sphere radius take only 5 centimeter. 5 and I take cloner. Guys, select this sphere and make child with cloner. Select cloner and I go to object, same mode. I take object, select this helix, this one, drag and drop in object. And distribution, I take step and step take 10 and enter. Yes, great. And guys, select this cloner and I go to effector, apply all effector, take shader, delay and third one sound. Yes. But guys, this is not looking so good. So same, you can apply this material on cloner and select this sphere. Guys, right click on sphere. I go on simulation tag and use rigid body. Go on collision, inheritance tag, apply tag to children and individual element take all. And I go to force. Guys, follow position, I take 5 and rotation take 5 and enter. Better. Guys, go on flow and background and select flow. Right click on flow, simulation tag and take collider body. Yes, that's it guys. Go on 0 frame and play. See guys, this is really cool animation, sound effector. So guys, my animation is finished. I go on render setting. Guys, output I use full HD frame. This one. Frame range use all frame. Guys, anti I select only geometry. And ambient occlusion take 1 to 8. Accuracy take 100%. Guys, go on again effect. I take global illumination. And SAM medium is good. And indirectly cache, record density take low. Guys, this is my best and fast render setting. Go on save. Format, guys, you can take MP4 but I take JPEG sequences. Where is JPEG? Here. Go on desktop, you can create folder like render and take any file name and save. That's it, all is good. So close and render. Press OK. See guys, this is my renders. So guys, this my simple small tutorial is finished. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download my project file from my website, link in description. Thank you.